Hi, and welcome to another episode of Make It, Fix It, and Travel with Nick. I'm your host, Nick. Today, we're going to be talking about watches. Interest in mechanical watches has been skyrocketing recently, and during the pandemic, the prices on Swiss watches, such as Rolex, went through the roof. Some models fetching 2 to 3 times their initial value. There's something intrinsically interesting about a mechanical watch. The beauty of the moving parts, and just the fact that it's essentially a machine that keeps very accurate time. I'm a watch lover who's always been curious about how watches work. I've seen some amazing videos on YouTube of watchmakers creating their own timepieces and fixing up broken ones, and I was sort of wondering if I could do the same. So I decided to order a watch from DIY Watch Club. They're a Hong Kong-based business that sells watch kits with everything you need to build a watch. I chose a kit for a pilot watch, which is a classic and elegant style. The kit arrived in a nice box with a movement, the face, a case, hands, straps, and, more importantly, all the tools I needed. The instructions looked clear and simple, but I was still a bit nervous. Could I really assemble a watch by myself? How long would it take? Would it even look good and function well? DIY Watch Club claims it only takes 2 hours to complete the project, but I'm not sure if that's true. So I decided I'd document my experiences and share it with you. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built my own watch from scratch and what challenges and surprises I encountered along the way. Will I succeed or fail? Will I enjoy it or regret it? Will I create something unique and beautiful or something ugly and broken? There's really only one way to find out. Let's get started. You can visit their website to see the amazing collection of watch kits. They have watch kits of all kinds, including dive watches, they have GMT watches, they have the pilot watch, and they have some dress watches. Check out their website, see what they got, see if there's something you like. I actually started looking at the DIY Watch Club offerings a while back. I started following a couple of watchmaking YouTube channels and was wondering if this was something I'd be able to do. And I also have a couple of old watches that I picked up used that I'd really like to get going again. But I wasn't really sure if I was going to be able to do this. Watchmaking's pretty tricky and the parts are very small. One of the cool things about the DIY Watch Club offerings are the video instructions. They're step by step and they take you through every step in a lot of detail, and they give you warnings about the things you're going to need to watch out for so that you don't damage your watch as you're building it. If you're interested, check out their YouTube channel. They have some of their sample instruction videos there, and also on their website they have a couple of the demonstration videos for you to check out. Last point, I'm not going to show every step in the build. I really just want to give you a flavor of what the build's like. Their videos are excellent and they'll take you through in detail step by step. So let's take a look at what we got. So today we're going to look at some goodies that we got from the DIY Watch Club. Basically they're saying that you can build a watch in 2 hours, so let's see if you can build a watch in 2 hours. First of all though, we'll look at what came in the boxes. The set that we've got is a couple of watches. I got one in the sale and that's in this box, and then going to use that, and also I've got a GMT watch. We're going to do a quick unboxing, a few watches and some tools from DIY Watch Club. First off, got a strap. It's a fairly usual leather strap with a little bit of crocodile effect on the leather. Just a nice spare strap, so I figured since I was buying some stuff, I may as well buy things that I may well need. Unfortunately, my iWatch strap is in need of repair. That may make another video. Okay, 2 watches. This is the one I'm going to build first. Comes with some cards and also instructions for where to find the videos to do the build. In here we've got a nicely bubble wrap package. Let's pull it apart a bit. Don't need the bubble wrap anymore because I'm not shipping it. So first of all we've got strap. Let's take a quick look at what the strap is. From the photos it was a brown leather strap. Nice basic strap. It's a nice basic watch. It's like a flight watch. So I'm quite looking forward to this build. Okay, and then we've got the watch itself. there's the mechanism, but that's going to be the mechanism we're going to build. The case is right here. It's a nice stainless steel case. As we get into the build, we'll look at it in a bit more detail, and I believe that this is the watch face. I'm going to be careful about finger marks here. So this is in an envelope. A couple of things in here, so as we get to the build we'll take a look. So that is watch number 1. Now it says it takes 2 hours to do the build. I've never built a watch before, so we'll see if it takes 2 hours. Might take more. I'm going to take my time. The other one I got, which I'm not going to build straight away, I wanted to build that one first. I ordered the upgrade for the nice snazzy toolbox. So the toolkit is actually quite a reasonable upgrade to the price of the watch kit. So if you think you're going to be using this more than once, it's probably worth getting the leatherette box. Nicely padded again. There's the cards for the website. This is a GMT watch, so I have a GMT hand setting tool. Not sure what that is. We'll get to it. This one has a Seiko mechanism. The case has a nice ceramic bezel on it. We'll do better close-ups of these. Mechanism, face, so same deal. So that will come out of here, and then we have our tools. And I quite like the look of these tools actually. We'll see how they really are. So that looks like a hand setting tool. We've got some screwdrivers. Nice and small, replaceable tips. So that's nice. You know, they look like they're well finished. So hopefully this is good quality steel. They feel solid. Feel really solid. Hand removal tool. Let's take a closer look at the tools. There's screwdrivers, hand fitting tools, hand lifters. The screwdriver looks like it's been heat treated, and you can see on the blade it's been sharpened. It's also got a replaceable tip. This is for the hour and minute hand, and there's a smaller aperture hand fitting tool for the second hand. And there's 2 hand lifters which will come in handy for removing the hands. And got some basswood. Let's see what else is in here. Nice pair of tweezers. Needle tweezers, should be good. Now what's in here? Oh, this looks like a case back opener. Okay. So case knife. Very cool. I like the presentation of this though, it looks pretty good. We won't need the case back opener for this project, but it's going to come in handy when we do other projects. And the tweezers are remarkably fine tipped. I really enjoyed using them. They seem to work really well. A little work base. Oh, this is a nice touch. So there's a dial protector, rotoco, finger cuts, small amount of rotoco. I know it looks like a little microfiber cloth in here, so that's cool. So it's like a case tool for opening the back. Let me see, does this come out? Looks like it comes out, but let's see. So this tray lifts out. Again, that's a nice touch. And under here Looks like a link setting tool. Does this lift out? This is strange, it looks like this should lift out, but I don't think it does. We've got a duster, and this looks like a loop. Okay, so nice touch, has a glasses clip. I wear glasses, so. The base has a soft upper surface. You can use it to work on your watch without damaging it. The case back opener has a dial to set the width of the pins. Loop is great. If you have poor vision, you might want to look at buying a higher magnification loop, but it's good enough for this build. And it works with my glasses. There we go, clipped onto the glasses there. That's great. Okay, put that one back, put this one back. There's something else under here. What is this? Okay, so looks like these are link tools and another screwdriver and a loop holder. And I do not know what this is, so we'll come back to that. Nothing else under here. Okay, and I'm going to say that there's a face. Okay, very cool. So almost everything is here. I had thought that I had ordered a stainless steel strap, and that doesn't appear to be in the order. So I'll email them, I'll let you know what their customer support's like. But this looks like a pretty good kit, and I kind of like the box here because I feel like this is gonna be reusable. So that's great. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. DIY Watch Club offer a really good product. I'm really impressed with them. When I was going through the unboxing, you may have noticed that the dive watch strap was missing. I contacted DIY Watch Club's customer support, and they sent me the dive watch FedEx 2-day. It actually arrived very quickly. Really impressed with the quality of this. It's a fairly weighty strap, and we'll take a look at that when we get to the dive watch build. Anyway, thanks so much for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this episode, unboxing and the tools, and please like and subscribe if you like the content, and hopefully the next episode will be up in a couple of days. Thanks a lot, take care, and see you next time.